on YouTube, and I'm here, and I will also just post on here. All right, live streaming texture painting. Yeah, dot after the F in CF, right? Okay, so now I have Twitter chat open. I have YouTube chat open. Hopefully I won't neglect either. Is chat working here today? Oh, it is. Wow. Okay. And what are my texture ideas? So today I was doing a lot of texturing and I feel I'm having fun with it, so I'm just going to, that's Minecraft. Let's leave it there just in case. It's good to have a reference. It's my emission map, and this is the new texture map. So I filled out here the base map with some confidence. And so the goal is to, and then I filled out the rest. Again, with some confidence. We have some snow, we have some blue tiles, we have lots of emissive stuff. There's like a bitumen-y, concretey stuff going on here. Lots of stuff. The ordering is a bit weird, but it's basically fine, I think. I don't know exactly what the best order is for all of these things. Anyway, and then here I have the sandstone section, which I'm quite happy with. Here we have liquids, lava and poison, some random staircases. Why not? At the bottom, we have snow. And yeah, maybe I could put the bitumen stuff together. It feels like, how many do I need for something to actually be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there anything else that would fit there? 10, 11. So yes, and technically this is all, I mean, these are all part of the same thing, so maybe it's okay if they're a bit mixed up. This shouldn't be all the way out here though, because this is spiritually belonging up here. Space for it though. Okay, I could take these out. I could move these all down here, and I could move these up here. Right? At least then they're kind of close together. I'm not worrying about messing up existing maps. Like my test map, this is fine. And so I'm going to add some more rows. Let's just keep going. Bottom 48, no, 96. Okay. Let's look at some simple things first. What are Roblox classic textures? Right, there's a couple of classic ones. But they can be colored. And normally they are. See what we have. Ah, this was the terrain from the original Roblox. People just use the studs, right? Thought? Used. I never played old Roblox, so I don't know what exactly we need. What were Roblox classic textures? Wood was released as the first material. Ah. Where's the studded one? I thought when I think of Roblox, and so you can color them as well. I don't think of any of these as being the classic ones. Metal. Isn't that like studded? Ah, right. Where can I find these little Roblox textures? Okay, so stud is part of it. So let's see if we can do a simple studded texture. What does it look like? It has some detail. It has a shine to it. Looks like. Let's see how much of this we can capture in a really low resolution. Also, it seems like it's going to be fours. Like this. Probably easiest just to do it like this for now, and then I can offset it later. Something like this. Now, it is fundamentally it's weird because it's a stud. So it actually has two layers. It's light, dark, light, and I don't think I can get that. That's that is asking too much. Maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, it's asking too much. So what if we were to do this and then just give it a shadow? No, that's not really what studs look like. I know I can. Ah, maybe something like this. Don't know how effective it'll be. It is rounded, so maybe this. Also, this is I guess this is less Minecrafty and more Lego-y, but or less Robloxy and more Lego-y, but maybe that's it's okay. Oh, hey, Leeman14. Welcome. Hello. I hope you're well. What do we think? Will this tickle tickle people's Lego sense? A bit big. I can make it smaller. That is oh, yeah, maybe that's better. Ah, but then I can't so easily. Like you want it to be evenly spaced. I guess I can. It's just no longer centered. Let's keep them big. Let's make them small. Maybe it's okay if they're not completely evenly spaced. 3. All right, and then the question is this also how it is horizontally? Are you adding more textures? I'm adding more textures. I've been adding. There were a lot of holes here, so I've added stuff. This is sort of a granite red in it. Um, different variations of some bigger blocks. I don't know if that's useful or not. We have new stone. Then we have letter blocks, very important. We have some concretey things, some more sort of sci-fi stuff. We have emissive lights now. It was supporting emissive lights anyway, but you can place a block and it will glow. We need this for lava and glowing green goo. Staircases, it's like a road style thing with lines in it. Colored blocks. We have sandstone here. We have the snowy stuff here. And here I'm just having fun. I'm doing some Minecraft studs. Yeah, this is what we want. So if I look at this, does it tend to be used? Oh wow. Huh. They really did change. Huh. I just want to see a level that uses it. When they people use it, do they use it on the sides? I don't think so. Yeah, it's not used on the sides. And maybe I'll do something else on the sides, but the main thing is we don't get this. We don't get it. Why am I copying and pasting it? Okay. Did you manage to fix the network bug? It didn't come up. It didn't come up. I don't know what to do. Uh, oh, sorry, my microphone is really far away. I mean, it's still okay. Good. Maybe that has increased the audio quality a bit. So I don't know. I'll try again another time. But you know, I may also put some of the diagnostic code in release. I just worry that that might mess things up for some people. You don't want to do that, right? Okay. Uh, like we were playing for hours yesterday, and that was great. But this is the old Roblox brick color palette. Ha! Great. So let's just take some of the and these will all be need to be tweaked. Let's at least try. Because I have so many heavy environment effects in the game that no color that I enter here, this isn't how anything looks in game. The main thing is that you don't lose the contrast on the studs. Oh, sorry. I forgot to update the Oeuf texture drawing. Thank you. I was so careful to update the Twitch stuff, the YouTube stuff, because I decided I would do a stream on YouTube as well that I forgot to change the title on. And maybe I should be doing network bug fixing, but I mean, it's difficult to reproduce, so I don't want to. And it doesn't come up for normal people. It just comes up in these really fun big playtests, which is both good and bad. I only have 3 more colors. Really, we want the greens. Maybe this. I don't want it. I don't think I need the 2 blues actually. I might. What do I want? I want the purple. I don't need to. I'll get rid of this blue. No, I'll get rid of this blue. And let's have the purple in as well. All right, and then this layer is going to be multiplicative or color burn. I think color burn looks pretty good. Oh, I can just say color and that. Honesty color is probably the barely makes a difference here though. Let's go with multiply. Doesn't work for this one though. This is a really dark one, so let's just pick a different color here. Oh, we don't have pink. There we go. All right. Texture creation is a nice break from that tedium. Yeah, it's fun. I can do it, and I enjoy doing it. And so I need to think of what I'm going to do with this. So I think I'll upload the editor beta branch, but I'll password protect it and say whatever you make in this, do not submit it to the Steam Workshop because this is all, like people can't enjoy this. Right, so these textures got swapped. Change that as well. What was this? Or what this was? Yeah, let's fix the emissive. Okay. It all looks fine. Everything matches. Okay, I just needed to be reloaded. Fine. There we go, 6. And then you are this block. You are that. I'm so happy with this texture. It ended up looking really good. It doesn't look so much like sandstone, but I like it. It's everything. No, not everything is back to normal. There we go. Back to normal. We have our emissive lava, our water that does nothing. Okay, fine. You're also looking fine. A bit weird. Fine. There's something I wanted to do, which is... Oh no, okay, you have lights on all the faces. Good. All right, so let's see what our Roblox textures look like. Honestly, not bad. Oh, I think I want to make the red one a little bit brighter. Let's just do all of them though. Yellow is fine. Well, we have to look at them in game. Purple is probably too dark. All right, we're looking around. Green is too dark. Purple is too dark. Green, purple, and blue are too dark. So, no, I don't want to make this light, just lighter. All right. Oh, actually, even if I make it lighter, it still has a. Yeah, that's fine. All right, blue. We can do the same thing too. that might be too bright. Uh, Having some colors glow slightly is fine. The red is too dark. This is gonna. Red seems to really want to glow if you let it, so I need to be a bit careful. Okay. I'm going to try at least try to make this a little bit bigger again, just because the asymmetry bothers me. These studs are just too big. Maybe it's okay. It's hard to make a call here. Oh, the purple is way too dark. A little way too dark. Okay, it's a bit lighter now. The sides are dark, but sides are dark. And now the sides aren't dark. Good. That's better. I should do the same with red. Yeah. So I want the colors on the sides to be reasonably readable. So the browns can both be a bit lighter. Oh, there we go. And that leaves this basically both the well the duller green, I think. Oddly enough. There we go. And maybe I'll do the screen as well. So I haven't seen what this looks like for other shape types. Fine. I try to smooth things off. Yeah, it works. It works okay. To keep it, just want to know if it works or not. It does. I don't think all of these colors are equally strong. Are we missing any obvious colors here? We're missing a sky blue. So I'm going to sacrifice this and try to make it sky blue. It's just too, I don't know, weird, fleshy color. Yeah. It's nice to have that. Okay. All right, and what happens if you randomize the orientation? It gets pretty weird. It's not bad though. Okay. Give me 1 second. I want to just open the Discord. Okay. So we have Roblox tiles. Um, tweeting a lot right now. Okay. So, all right, it's a nice row to have. What were the other ideas mentioned in the shiny metal and rust? So I don't know how to do pixel art shiny metal, to be honest with you. Let's I mean, this is it, right? It's pretty good. Let's just do the tutorial. You see here that we are starting off with a buttony state. Maybe I won't use, oh, why not? Ah, you actually have several layers here. I might try that. Might be interesting. Oh, I just. Oh, okay, I'm just going to copy this aspect ratio. Try to do it differently later. Right, and this you give here 2 of these tiles. Okay, so this is this. Right? And then we're adding in a couple more layers of colors. They're all lighter. Ooh, I'm doing tutorials. It's no shame in doing tutorials. Probably. What do we think? Will this look like anything in game? Ooh, honestly, not bad. Not bad. We follow the tutorial, we get some shiny blocks. Oh, this is a different kind of shiny block. Is it that different though? If I take this and I desaturate it. Well, I take it again, and I make it gold. Yellow. It's pretty good. Who is this by? Monty Millie. Let's see. Honestly, I should just go through all these tutorials. Something like this could be nice. We try this. We're having fun, you know? Why not? Not even about practicality, it's just this is fun. The way this is all set up. Now I guess we should go for the square one. The square one isn't as good as the others though. Right? Okay, let's try for this one. So, going purple. Say it'd be like this. Let's see if we can work out. This is very narrow. I think maybe we want even more than this. Yeah, it's a bit better. Okay. So, I don't know what to do with these side ones. The way I was thinking of it was, actually, I just don't know. I'll just make them low for now. Okay. So this was actually way darker. Something like this. However, Why do you always light from the top left? All right, and then we work on... we're lightening these lines a little bit. And here... Okay, I guess I should... Here we should darken them a little bit. And also darken this. A lot. All right. Darken this a lot. Lighten this a lot. And this is somewhere halfway in between. These two look basically the same. These two look basically the same. Here, actually, these are all getting lightened. Can I just view that in its own frame? Yeah, you see. I think even this is a slightly, it's even a bluer version. Huh. Had not expected that. Maybe this is too blue. See how it goes. Something like this. And now in the next one, it looks like we're just making this basically white. Like white. We're making these very light. Okay, fine. Okay. And the next one we're doing the wipe effect. A lot of space for this. Okay. All right, we're expanding it then out here. This does not look like a gem. All right, so the main thing that's stopping this from looking like a gem is that the colors are weird. All right. Let's just try to fix that. I'll try to get it all more uniform. Doesn't really look much like a gem. Oh, now it does. Funny. Let's see what that's like. Yeah, it doesn't. It needs to be more. Let's see how much this messes things up. really work, does it? Good, it doesn't work. Run out of space. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yes, yeah. I wonder what the H is. Oh, it's probably for huevo. If the same person is also on the other place. Unimile. Marmontel. Do I go fill it with the letter blocks? I've like one has to draw the line somewhere. Okay, I could get rid of A, B, and C, but a lot. Okay. What other rate tips do we have? This is almost good. Maybe it works if you just stud one in. 1. Oh right, if I stud these into my fancy wall, it does work quite well. But as standalone blocks, not really. What do we think? Do we keep the diamond blocks or not? Oh, I can also give them some emissive. Ooh. I mean, I could give all of these. I don't want. Let's see. No, this shouldn't be glowing actually. I'm getting messages somehow. Somewhere. Oh, Leeman joined the Discord. Welcome. Welcome, Leeman. Okay. So let's see the tutorial. So I could try this. Front door is open, but it doesn't appear to be. Ooh, water. I could try to do some fancy water like this. This is very fancy water. Look, it even has yellows in it. All right, let's try and do some fancy water. Why not? Oh, because we've used up all of our fanciness here. I guess I'll have to reassign some things. That's fine. All right. And to be much wider than this. Whatever. Okay. I see. Okay, this should be in a tiled map. Let's do that. Maybe something like this. All right. Wait, is this just going to get very weird? We're doing a second layer. Right. Like this, I just mirrored it. Actually, looking pretty nice. Right, and then you know what, that's fine. All right, so then he's actually adding some yellow, some pale yellow to the top, which seems. Wait, there's two layers here. There's several layers that have been added. Is it getting lighter or darker? It's getting darker. So there's a lot of pixel art tutorials where I don't find them very convincing at all. But these tutorials, good stuff. I do not find myself needing to criticize them at all. So what bits of my lighting? It's not clear. Maybe it's like when there's sometimes when there's intersections. Not always. Sort of random points. And I think this is maybe too extreme. Like, okay, so I basically just draw this. Nice. Let's see what it looks like. Not bad. It's very detailed. Maybe for certain scenes you like a bit of detail in your water. But okay, this is a lot more. Do I understand correctly that it's a top, a bottom, and 4 identical sides? You do. You do. You understand precisely the structure of this. This is very good, but this is not me. This is even what I mean. These are also not me, but these are fine. Somehow that's fine, but this is more. Yeah, it's not me. Maybe if I do a U shift, it'll become me. Like it's so beautiful. It's like really artfully done. Not me. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna get rid of that. It's good. Not me. Feels kind of JRPG. Yeah. Direct lighting. This kind of woody stuff. I've done. I have enough wood in the game. I don't have. Wait, I guess I don't do this kind of wood very often. Wood grain. I haven't really been able to get that working. I don't think this is a very good version of wood grain though. It's one of the weaker tutorials. Shining blocks. Super Meat Boy. How to draw meat. I don't think this looks like meat to me. It's just this isn't meat. Hey, welcome, Nettle Flop? Nettle Nop? Welcome, Nettle Pop. Okay, let's see what else we had on our list of things to look at. So rusty. Um, a rusty girder. Rusty girder. Um, can we get rusty and non-rusty? That's what we want. I kind of feel like this is something that's going to be very difficult to. Let's see how other people did. How other people have dealt with this. All right, let's see. We can take colors from this. I was going to say inspiration, but let's just be honest. Let's see if I can take colors from this. All right. Isn't a very natural block. Also, yeah, I don't think this is. Give it a little bit of texture. This tiled mode is so nice. Maybe some dark metal colors as well. Like it gets red. This isn't going to be understood by anyone as metal though. So maybe what I can do is take an existing metal texture, not the smooth one. The smooth one is too difficult. But we have, say, this. Can I make this rusty? So what rust does, drips down. But that can't be all of it. Oh, I was drawing directly onto it? Oh. Okay. It multiplies the right filter. Is what I want. Hmm. No, it's not readable as. I don't think this is good. I want to at least see what it looks like. No, it doesn't make any sense. Also, because there's rust dripping, it doesn't work because in 3D you can't have dripping on all the faces. And I could have it differently for the different things. It's true. But this is just not working as a rust effect. So, let's see if there's a tutorial online. 16 by 16 iron rusty steel block texture with low pixel count. Is this a prompt? Like, what on earth is this? This is not. Okay, the textures are rusty, but the colors are good. But what is going on with this website? Oh, okay. This is like you're doing stages of rust. It's easier to do when it's textured. Huh. But even here, you've trouble doing it. Oh, you're going you're tarnishing like copper. That's nice. Um, maybe something like this. This is kind of what I was trying to get at, but I don't have enough features to hang my hat off. It's also a bit more bloody than. Oh, that works quite well. I'm actually really surprised at how well that works. No, this actually, yeah. Painting around things seems to be having an effect. That looks rusty to me. I have to say that looks rusty to me. I'm surprised that it worked as well as it does. That was fine before. Let's just do it like this. What do we think? Will this be identifiably rusty? Yeah, I would say that looks rusty. Nice. Oh, rusty. Oh, the red is a little bit much. I like the red. I like the redness. Just it's a little bit too much. Just need to desaturate it a little bit. It's still. What if I do this? Oh, wait. It's the. Oh, damn it. I've only been changing the side, so I just should be judging the side. The top. The sides I haven't changed. Top looks fine now. Actually, it's a little bit disappointing. There we go. That's fine. All right. Did we have any other metal ones? Not really. It was just that. So, I mean, implicitly these I could try. Give this the same treatment. See what this looks like in comparison. We need clearer points like this. Give the rusted a little bit of texture. Something like this. Yeah, that's a bit better. It's still not great. No, maybe just this alone is already enough. This just doesn't look like it's been rusted. If I wanted to do a girder, how would I do a girder? Top, it's normal. It's going to be a horizontal girder. So to some extent, I can't do a girder, right? A girder is a girder. I don't support those shapes, but maybe I can sort of somehow. No, I really can't do one because I have the same shape on all sides. No, this is impossible. I could do a vertical girder. Let's just try and do something. How about that? Let's try and do something and see what it's like. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I can do this very easily at all. I All right, from the top and the bottom it's the same, and from the side it looks like this, and somehow this all makes sense. Right. This feels very much like we're in impossibility territory, but let's see. Okay, so let's see what, if anything, this does. So I have no real intuition. Doesn't make a lot of sense. No, there's no way of me. Okay, so I could have it be like a cross beam, like an X beam. That might make that would at least make some sense. On the other hand, that's quite difficult. Wait, is this right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's making the wrong shapes here. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of the tiles in the middle. So this is our I don't even know what this is supposed to be. Some kind of girder. Maybe. Great girder. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Maybe this can be saved. Okay, so I need to change what the inside is doing now. Be a little bit more. I don't know why I suddenly dithering. You hear that it's not gradual enough. So I'm going to take this and brighten it. What is going on with this brightness curve? How can the right hand side... These are the same size. Ah. Flatten maybe? There we go. Okay. I think I don't like the... to no one's surprise, I'm not a big fan of the dithering. Yeah. Aha. Maybe something like this. Oh, wait, this is just bigger? Really? 5? I guess it is just bigger. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. It looks good. I didn't notice it. Oh man. Just hope it just works. That we don't inadvertently create a forbidden symbol. Okay. I actually kind of just want to make a box that's all X's. It would be nice to have a third one of these. Uh, all right. Well, whatever happened, I decided that these could actually go here. So let's give you some space. Oh, wait. Actually, it's the same. I just have this horizontal rather than vertical. Well, no. Okay, you can do it. It's just a bit advanced. If something is this advanced, do I want it in the game? It's a very good question, I think. Hmm. Because these tiles only look good from a certain angle, or if they're enclosed in a certain way that you don't see the bad sides. Don't know. Oh ho, Pogo suggesting some very nice things on the L Discord. Come on, can I just get rid of this? These are good suggestions. Um, I don't think this is very strong. You can use it to make some shapes, but it's very special purpose. You know what? Let's leave it in. If people figure it out, they figure it out. Okay, but this is part of the metal complex, so I should leave it. Where are the metals? They're scattered around. Okay, so what if I was to just take all of the metal looking things out? We have these. We have these. Technically, we have these, but I don't want to. I don't think this is being the same. Okay, and we. I guess these are also part of it, right? So here's our metal and semi-precious, non-precious, and precious, and then just some gems. Yeah, that's a good theme. I was also thinking it might be fun. I think it's a bunch of work. Instead of releasing these all at once, just to do one a week, to give people a chance to actually savor them if they choose to. Um, Not sure though, and maybe to sit on the ones that I think could be expanded more. Because once I release something, it's really annoying to rearrange things. Okay. I'm not sure. I was trying to identify what made the earlier water feel off, and I think it was the extra convolutions that made it very oceany. Hmm. Oh yeah, you sent me these suggestions. They're very good suggestions. Didn't I have a staircase? I can put a staircase here. There we go. This fits very naturally here. Yeah, I had this idea that the simplest thing should be first. So the simplest thing is the material, then we have the two block types, and then this. Leaves me with room here to do something. What other metal shapes could we have? Oh, the corn cob? Yeah. um, any final metal types? What would be another metal? I mean, I could just take this and try to rust it. Nah, I don't think this is working. I've rearranged a lot. This is what happens when I rearrange tiles. Oh no, I didn't just rearrange them, I added an extra row, which really throws things off. Either way, a lot of things are going to be misplaced. Wait, what? What's going on? Ah, right, I also have to add stuff to this. There we go. Whew. Right, several things are broken. That's basically fine. Still okay. Ah, the stuff I was playing around with isn't here, which is also fine because I had reassigned a bunch of them. So let's try to build our metal kingdom over here. Okay, it's looking very metally, but next to the water, it's rusty. See if we can build this. Oh, can I build a big cube? Yes, I can. Okay. Rizalo, good evening. All right, let's see if we can rust these and if it's convincing. I don't think it'll be very convincing. Nah. For some reason, this rust is amazing and every other rust... I guess, okay, I think I kind of have a feeling now why. Breaking it up just a little bit. Also, probably shouldn't be going onto the background. Just feels messy. What's going on here? I saved this. Ah, wait. Ah. Sprite. Let's merge down. Okay, it's a bit better. It's not as good as the other one though. I'm gonna leave this empty for now. Much as I have a horror vacui. Um, what other things could we have? I could have one of these that doesn't have bolts, or that has more bolts, or that has a big old bolt, or that has a light in it. All right, I was thinking of doing one of these that has a light. Okay, so we can then have some lights as well. Pale Blue Zebra, good evening. I'm not a big fan of this, the way that the light is happening here. Maybe there's a better way of doing this. See. Something like this, I think. What if I was to make these lights green rather than red? There we go. I just like giving the areas their own signature color. Good. Okay. I've been here for 1 hour and 40 minutes. I'm gonna take a 5 minute break, and then I'm gonna get back, and then I like this idea of custom water tiles. So I'm gonna have a good look at these and try and have some more fun. Tile map is definitely getting out of control, but it's a good problem. So I will be right back. Hey, Shadows off. I just realized that water plants should have had stalks in the side view. Not so sure. You lose the coherence. I know what you mean, but that would that would be really. I guess it would be like looking in a real cube, where the stuff in a real water cube. But no, I think this would just be a surface treatment. All of these road tiles, which I'm thinking I might want to move, like bitumen things. Clears up a lot of space, but why did I want to do that? Oh, I wanted more water tiles. I guess I have them now. What cost? Ah, no. Miscellaneous tiles. Right, technically, I can put these up here, which means that I can put these here. I'm just making more problems for myself. I have so much space. Yeah. On the other hand, I could have. Yeah, wait. You'll see. You'll see. Okay. Isn't really the looks many different kinds. Oh, you had two, one with a flower and one without. Let's try the one without a flower first. This one actually has weird. Um, just see what it looks like in game. Where is Godo here? Where is the game? Here. Where is our water lily? Honestly, fine. Okay, no, so I don't know if I want to do this because people will see this and think, ah, this is a platform. Uh, there is no good way to implement. I mean, oof, no. This would just result in pain and suffering for people who want to do very precise placement of kill boxes. No, 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 no. This is bad. It looks fine, right? It's a great suggestion in the abstract. I just worry a lot what might happen. Um, what I was thinking, however, even without that, some fishes. Not that you'll ever see it. Or I could, I mean, I could just have one of these on all of the water, right? You're never going to see this from the side. Standard one. Ugh, nobody's ever going to use that, right? It's cute. Is it worth a whole extra tile just to have a little fish swimming? Maybe. Okay, the water thing is the no go, but we tried, and it was a good suggestion. I just hadn't thought through what it meant. Bye bye, water lily. My reorganization has blown open a lot of holes. Annoying. Okay, so the other suggestion was a cardboard box, which is a very good suggestion. We already have some boxes. We already have a crate, so why not a cardboard box? This looks good. This. I'm just being very liberal in how I'm copying the reference material. Ooh. There's no compact way I can. Maybe there is a compact way I can do this. Like this. Okay, I can just do a single arrow. The double arrow thing is better, but we just don't have the. I just have it be abstract like this. What other features could we have on a box? Let's see what this looks like first. Maybe it's already amazing and not in need of any. I mean, honestly, it's okay. It's not all lining up, but it's not bad. It's not half bad. Tape effect works quite well. Just the fact that you see the overlapping. The so maybe some of these effects are a bit too much. Just because I made this bigger, everything. Maybe it's fine. Yeah, that's a cute idea. Where this should go on my tile sheet is another question entirely. Who the hell knows? I mean, yeah, who the hell knows? Kind of makes sense to have this here. It's a similar texture. Though I think I made this with the rocks and with the snow in mind. Um, I could try to think of more permutations of stones. Oh, actually, I took a photograph today. I meant to take two, but I only took one. And the photo had a particular configuration. Oh. Something like hmm. I'm looking at the shape now and I understand it a lot better. It was a bit of a mystery earlier. It actually goes down, up, and down. Something like this. But I need to stretch this to fill up the whole space. How do I do that? And it doesn't. The pattern doesn't want to be. Uh, Put in a square. I'm so tired of shading pixels. I can't do it. I can't do it. um. All right. So this fell off my old chair. So what do I do then? Like I can keep on slicing this pie different ways, but it's not. It's just waste, right? Ideally, different things should be meaningfully different. I'm also not so sure about having these sort of variations where you've this small and big. I don't really think it brings anything. I could try and do variations on this. What would I do? I mean, I could have it do this on every face. This is a cheap variation. We have this on and off. We have this on and off. Oh, yeah. Like my goal was to have a fully packed canvas, and I had one a couple of hours when I started the stream. I had a fully packed canvas, and now we're depacked again. Oh man, we've 3 and 3. Let's just. Let's just have it. Bam, we now have a full canvas again. There's a little bit of miscellaneous thing going on, but oh, I'll just double check. There were some. Were there any other suggestions? Rusty girders, I tried. Shiny metal, I did. Cactus, not sure. An autumnal block. I think that's very sensible. We have this right now, which is our designated foliage block. But wouldn't it be nice if there was an autumnal variation? Now, you're not going to get this just by doing a hue variation. Are you? Is this our autumnal variation? Something like that? Let's do a field test. Oh my god, everything has gotten so messed up. No, I don't think I could easily. Let's look. I feel really rich reds and yellows. Really golden yellows. I almost don't think this is red enough. It's not giving. I mean, it's colors, but it's not screaming autumn to me. It's a bit autumnal, but is it worth adding a whole new row for? Trying to say no. Oh, what I could try and do. Give it a little bit of glow. Nah. Good. Good. This glow doesn't fit. So what we have to do. Ah, they're the same. It was just the. Ah, these are the. There we go. Fine. Where are you going? Here. Okay. This looks more or less correct now, I would say. Wait, these roofs get slight emission? I don't know how I decide what things get emission and what things don't. Uh, ooh, should the letters get a little bit of emission? No, they're not that important. Oh wait! This is new. I'm pretty sure. It would make more sense to have this near the crate. If anywhere near the crate, and I can always just put this here. Right. Ik wil euch fragen. You give each of these their own special thing. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you get different colors, but they actually have different behaviors. This is harder because it has so many colors. I don't know why this has so many colors. You know? I already have. Actually, wait, no, I didn't have a full blue area. So this is. I think actually having the ability to do a big blue area is good, and having the ability to do staircases is good. Okay. So this rearranging has messed stuff up a bunch. Hopefully. So that was water here. Oh, the water got moved to the end. Let's just try and build something from scratch. This is going to be fixing this will be very unpleasant. Yeah, I guess the test would be to try using it because it might be that actually having all of these is really annoying. You can't find the blocks that you're looking for. Hmm. Could this be worse? Like, is this bad? Could it be the case that this is just bad? Now that I have gold. No. Tricky though. There's a lot of. It's not obvious. Not always obvious what the right answer is. It looks so crude now. I forgot, yeah. I remember when I was doing blocks. Alright, you should be the emergency blocks. I think the extra options are worth the slight difficulty of finding specific textures. Good. I am also trying to organize them, so hopefully it won't be that bad and you'll get a mental layout. And yeah. Yeah. Since it's easy to pick textures from existing blocks. That's very true. That's very, very true. Okay. Oh. I don't know. Control Z works on a German keyboard as well. So yeah, I'm trying to think of what to do with these. I I could just upload upload them to a beta branch, but password protect the beta branch and say promise me the password is I will not upload to workshop because these are incompatible. Anything you make with this map will be incompatible with the workshop. Um, and then I mean I guess the ordering of these is fine now. I have no reason to change them. So I was thinking, well, I can break things and it's not the end of the world. And I can break things because it's beta, it's not the end of the world, but one doesn't want to do these things. Yeah. So we have a good selection of new nature. I mean, this is meant to like looks like it's just screwed up all the textures. We have the Roblox tiles, which we've no examples of. I have no examples of the Roblox tiles. There we go. We can play Roblox. Thank you. I like that you like the rusty metal blocks. Where are they? I wasn't sure I could do it. It took some work. Did I do a couple of rusty blocks? Did the other one work out? I think I removed the other one. I'm so happy that I guess all think they can find the other one. Yeah, I had a rusty version of the X block, but it was bad. Ah, I think it was a 6 is what I had, just to preview what they look like. Okay. See, what do you think? I just upload this as 1.3. Do I have glass a little opaque? Everything is 100% opaque. Yeah, I bet. I tried doing like stained glass at some point and I couldn't get it working. So also, yeah, you saw we have the collision boxes work differently now. Yeah, I think I can upload this to its own branch. It would be nice to have like a screenshot that shows all the things you can do that isn't shuffled around. Um, I guess it's hard to see everything that you can do. How many extra tiles do we have? We have lots. I've like tripled. The original tile set ends. Okay, it ends here, but it had lots of holes in it, and so I have more than double the number of tiles in the game today and yesterday. So, nay bad. All right. Stained glass sounds amazing, especially if you could incorporate the glow. I tried it and it didn't work. You can try again. No, we can't. No, the map's full for now. I don't want to. I don't want to open those doors. I tried doing it in the palace part of the main game, and it just didn't work. Um, New tiles. All right. If people make levels with every new tile accounted for, then I'll add some new tiles. I don't know what's going on with this client. Actually, let's see if it's getting confused on. Um, no. So the idea was that you would use it with this sort of tile. Oh, you know, like this, and that will be a window. You could put that in like a window slot. But no, I've gotten better at doing stuff like this now. So, oh, this is the wrong tile. Everything is the wrong tile, Stephen. You jumbled everything around. Okay. Anyway, let's just upload this. I wanted to see if it was actually uploading. Okay, cool. I had to push 1 minute ago. Good. GitHub 1.3. Oh my god. The remote that you're trying to fetch has has files that differ only in case. Okay, getting an error when I try to sync this repo that there are I'm just going to check on my computer again. Let's see if I can do it here. What's going on here? I'm going from Windows to Mac. I have the error message on my MacBook, so I'm just going to look up what that says. Oh, thanks, GitHub. They don't let you copy. Oh, they do let you paste, copy and paste. Parts of Git are case sensitive, parts aren't. It's going to make an issue. Here, so I can copy and paste the text. I can continue to work. I'm going to end the YouTube stream because YouTube stream is meant to be fun, and we are in the nitty gritty phase now. So I'm taking this to Twitch.